Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to forward your .realtor domain to your KW website powered by Placester. .realtor is a first level domain that replaces something like .com or .net or .org. You can have your name .realtor instead of your name .com, and you would purchase that through get.realtor, get.realtor. Once you've purchased your domain and you make sure you're signed into your account, we're going to go to My Domains here in the .realtor administration, and we're going to find the domain that you want to work with. You may have multiple domains purchased here, but find the one you're going to work with, and we'll go on the right and do Manage Domain. Once we're inside the Manage Domain editor here, we'll click on the tab right in the middle here that says Advanced DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name Service, so we're going to edit some DNS records. The first thing we're going to edit is this A record. There should be one already here. It may not exactly have this value, but there should already be an A record here. We'll click over on the right on Edit, and then we'll click the Edit when it drops down. We're going to leave the A record and the host blank, or excuse me, leave them the way they are, but we're going to change this IPv4 address to 184.169.141.142. There are 3 dots there, 4 sets of numbers, 3 dots in between, 184.169.141.142. If you're having trouble getting that typed out, feel free to pause the video, type it out, and then resume the video. For the time to live, the TTL, we actually want to change this to 3,600 seconds, 60 minutes, 1 hour. Then we'll click Update Record down here at the bottom, and then we'll tell it OK. Next, if there is one already there, we're going to find the www CNAME record. Now, if you can't find a record that says CNAME in this second big row here, and then it says over here under host www, we need to create a CNAME record. If there is an A record in place for www, we actually need to click Edit and then delete. We want to remove that A record for www, and instead we're going to add a new DNS record down here at the bottom. This is going to be a CNAME record, and for host we're going to choose other, and we'll do www, and then for target that's going to be domains, plural, DOMAINS .myrealestateplatform.com. So D as in dog, O, M as in Mike, AI, N as in Nancy, S as in Sam, .myrealestateplatform.com. Again, you can pause the video to type that out and resume it. Also, for the time to live, we're going to change this to 60 minutes also. Then we'll click Add Record. And then we'll tell this OK. We don't need to add another record after that. Next, we want to come to our Placester interface within MyKW. If you don't know how to access Placester, check out our Placester 101 class. But once we're in the Placester system, over on the left under Quick Actions, we'll click on Edit Site, and we'll scroll all the way down to the all the way down to the bottom of the Site Settings section and click Custom Domain. And in here, we're going to put in that full address. So we're going to put in the full www.yourdomain.realtor. So this is going to be www.fredbergeron.realtor. You're not going to want to put .com at the end of that, or .net or .org. Remember, it ends in .realtor instead of .com. Then we'll click Add Domain. Now, it is very important to include that www. Most places across the internet, you're not going to need it, but in this instance, you do need the www. And then the rest of the address. Then you'll click Add Domain down there on the right. Then we got to make sure to click our green Save button down at the very bottom right. So now if our settings are in place properly, and potentially after some kind of waiting period, we should be able to click View Live Site or just go visit that domain, and it should let us through to the Placester site. And here we are, we're at Fred's site here. That forwarding is working properly. This is how you can forward your .realtor domain to your KW website powered by Placester. If you have additional questions about this, feel free to send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.